Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a failing charcoal canister and it's time to replace it? The purpose of the charcoal canister is to store fuel vapor until it is ready to be purged into the engine. Now, how do you know you have a failing charcoal canister? The first sign of a failing charcoal canister is going to be you have a hard time filling up your gas tank. When the charcoal canister or the evap canister is clogged, you're going to have a hard time pumping gas. For example, when you're at the gas station and the nozzle keeps clicking off, that could be a sign that the charcoal canister is clogged on the inside. The reason why that nozzle keeps clicking off, that's because there's too much pressure inside that gas tank. Inside that gas tank, there should be little to no fuel vapor. And when that charcoal canister is clogged, it cannot absorb that fuel vapor from the gas tank. That is why that nozzle keeps clicking off at that gas station. If you suspect that the charcoal canister or evap canister might be clogged, one thing you can do is you can start removing the evap hoses on the charcoal canister. And if you see charcoal pellets on the inside of the evap line or hoses, that is a sign that the inside of the charcoal canister is falling apart and is going straight into the evap lines or hoses. When you pull out the evap line, make sure to check for spider webs inside the evap line or hose. Sometimes spiders find its way inside the line and they start to build up a nest on the inside, and this can also clog the port. And when that happens, again, when you're at the gas station and you're pumping gas, this can actually cause that nozzle to keep clicking off at the gas station. The next sign it is time to change the charcoal canister is going to be strong fuel smell. When that charcoal canister becomes damaged caused by a rolled object, it can cause a crack on the charcoal canister, and this is going to cause the charcoal canister to release a lot of fuel vapor. Also, when the charcoal canister pellets start to deteriorate and it can no longer absorb fuel vapor will start to build up on the inside of the charcoal canister, and this can cause a lot of fuel to start leaking out of the evap line or evap hoses. The next sign it is time to change the charcoal canister is that the check engine light is going to turn on and you're going to get some sort of evap codes. Also, if you try to smog your vehicle and it failed smog, most likely that evap monitor is not ready or it is incomplete. And of course, a failing charcoal canister can cause increased emission. Now, when you change the charcoal canister, you're going to have to take your vehicle for a test drive for that evap monitor to clear. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.